Hello there and welcome. We're at 50 Lansing, apartment 108. We've got a nice one bedroom here. Good sized kitchen, lots and lots of cabinetry. 4-burner stove, gas stove. Nice big huge living room. Lots and lots of space in here. We'll go ahead and take a peek outside. We've got your own personal deck, tons of space. Definitely a lot of room back here. Even though we're so close to the freeway, it's still really nice and quiet, so that's great. It still feels very, very private back here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll step on into the bedroom. Beautiful hardwood floors. Still can reach the deck from here as well. We've got our main bathroom. Lots of closet space along the sides here. And these have all kinds of wonderful built-ins here, so everything you could possibly need. And then we've got our big bathroom, shower tub combination. We do have another half bath as well. So we'll take a quick peek into there, and then I will leave you for a little bit. We're gonna also take a peek at the rooftop deck and the gym and lounge area. So we have another little bathroom here. Hello there, here we are at 50 Lansing. We're up on one of the roof decks. Currently the gym is still closed, so unfortunately we can't get a video of that, but it should be opening up soon. So we're just at one of the roof decks here. This is up on the 5th floor. We've got some pretty amazing views. And then we'll go ahead and pause and we'll go on up to the second roof deck, which is up on the 9th floor. So here we are up on the gloriously huge roof deck. There is so much space up here, lovely plantings. Everything smells fantastic. A lot of mature plantings. Views all the way into the bay. All of our beautiful high-rises. And then we'll just go ahead and we'll take a spin back around so you can really get a sense of how big this is. And there's a really great big barbecue area as well. 2 barbecues, lots of counter space available. Fantastic amount of space up here. So hopefully you can come by and see this soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.